Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to increase speed in Wondershare Filmora. Make sure to increase the speed of a video in Wondershare Filmora. You can either apply a constant speed to the entire clip or use a speed ramping for dynamic changes. So the first method is the uniform speed constant increase. This is the simplest way to make a whole clip or a specific section play faster or a steady rate. So drag your clip to the timeline. Select the clip and then look the speed icon in the toolbar above. So in the uniform speed, click on that, and on the right side you can manually adjust the speed to the as per the requirement you need it. You can see that there is a 1.84x fast message appear on the video clip, so you can play it and check. So further, whenever you increase the speed, you can see that the duration of the clip has been reduced. And when you decrease the speed, the duration will be increased. So moreover, you can also increase the speed to the slow if you want to make it 0.5x. And here you can see that the speed has been a slower. Again, go to this timer icon, go to the slow and make it even more slower. Then you can select the 0.25 and you can see the video clip has been slowed to 0.25 and it is very slow. And if you want to make it fast, then you can make it 2x fast. You just need to select 2x and here it is 2x fast. Again, go to the, if you want to make it 4x, you can speed up to the 4x like this one. And you can similarly go to the fast and make it 20x fast. So it's up to your requirement. So if you want to make it normal, then click on that and now it is normal. The second method is the speed ramping, which is the if you want the video to start fast, slow down in the middle and then speed up again or vice versa. So for this you need to select the video and go to the speed tab in the upper right hand panel. So you can choose a preset, select options like montage. When you click on the customize, you can see the speed ramping has been automatically adjusted. And similarly, when you click on the montage and hero monument, the clip is adjust according to the pre-built formats. So I hope you can. So I hope you understand how you increase the speed in Wondershare Filmora. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.